Welcome to this YouTube channel. So here we're going to discuss a few additional mathematics questions to help you guys to learn in this pandemic. So now let's look at the first question. The question states that the square JKLM and the triangle PQR has the same area, and based on the information given, we need to find the value of x, and hence find the perimeter of the square JKLM. So let's do what the question has asked us to do. First, we need to find the area of the square JKLM and the area of triangle PQR. So how do we do it? It states that one of the sides of the square JKLM is 3x plus 2. So we use the formula 3x plus 2 multiplied by 3x plus 2 equals the area of triangle, which is 1 over 2 multiplied by 4x multiplied by 4x plus 8. And then we get the final equation to the x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0. And then we do the equation and we got the answer of x equals 2. That we solve the first question. And then we still need to find a perimeter of the square JKLM. So now we need to substitute x equals to 2 into 3x plus 2. So to find the perimeter, we know that the sides of the square is all the same, so we need to multiply 3x plus 2 by 4. So we substitute the 2 into 3x plus 2, we get 8, and then we multiply 8 by 4, we get the answer of 32. So the square of JKLM has a perimeter of 32.
Okay, now let us proceed to the next question. The question is talking about a particle move in a straight line and passes through a fixed point P. This question is talking about velocity, and the velocity equation is given that 15 plus 40 minus 3t squared equals to v. The question is asking, when does the particle stop instantaneously after leaving P? Based on the question above, we can conclude some important points. The first point is the equation given. Velocity equation equals to 15 plus 40 minus 3t squared. And the question is asking, when does the particle stop instantaneously? From the topic velocity, we can know that the particle will stop when the velocity becomes 0. Therefore, particle will stop when v equals to 0. Therefore, we use the equation and substitute it into the equation. And now let us start to do the solution. Equation 1 is given in the question. The velocity equation equals to 50 plus 40 minus 3t squared. And equation 2 is based on the condition given in the question. When the particle stops, velocity is equals to 0. So we combine the both equation and we can find out a new equation in order to find out the answer. 15 plus 40 minus 3t squared equals to 0. So we change the form of the equation into x squared plus bx plus c. And we can write it negative 3t squared plus 40 plus 15. And we can use factorization in order to find out the answer. We can factorize it into 3t plus 5 bracket t minus 3 bracket. You can find out the answer negative 5 over 3 and 3. From this situation, we can only choose t equals to 3 as answer because there is only positive value for time. So for the conclusion, the particle will stop when t equals to 3.